Now to more breaking news. A well-known public servant of our state and his wife found dead in a home in southwest Denver. Tragically, it appears carbon monoxide killed them. Copter 4 shows us the scene on Yale near Sheridan.
Karen Morfitt live there now. And Karen, you just talked to some family members.
Yeah, Dominic, you can still see police are on scene, still working this investigation, but family members do tell us that retired Judge Roger Cisneros and his wife were the couple found inside this home. Now, Cisneros' daughter says it was her niece who found them here this afternoon and called for help. Judge Roger Cisneros, also a former state senator, was 93 years old. His wife, Adelia, was 89. Denver fire officials say when they arrived, they detected high levels of carbon monoxide inside this home. Although the investigation is still underway, the family tells us that Judge Cisneros may have left a vehicle running inside the garage and closed the door sometime last night. Cisneros' daughter says her father was an amazing man. She says that the couple had just celebrated their 65th wedding anniversary. Coming up tonight on CBS 4 News at 10, we'll take a closer look into Judge Cisneros' legacy. For now, we're live in Denver. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.
All right, Karen, thank you.